This is my unboxing and quick reviews and initial thoughts of Apple's AirPod Pro 3s. I've had these for about a week, and I am using the mic for all the audio, so you can kind of hear the mic quality. That's what drew us to it initially, and why we stepped up from just your standard AirPods to the Pros. Great quality. The mic is fantastic, and you're going to see what it does come with. We're going to pop that open right now. It does come with a couple things I was happy with, and then one thing that was a big glaring miss, which is rare. I love Apple products, and we have them all. Really good quality. It's nice and heavy. Right there, you can see that that's your different size earpieces, so it'll get a nice comfortable fit no matter how big or small your ears are. But it does not come with the charging cable. Nothing to charge them with. Obviously, I've got tons of USB-C cables. I've got tons of wireless chargers. It's not a deal breaker. I've got plenty of things that I can use with it. But for a product that is of a premium price point like these, and is their flagship product, I think we're really, really missing just at least a USB-C cable. Other than that, super happy with the purchase, super happy. It's Apple product. You know what you're getting. It's good quality, great build, great audio. It syncs up perfectly with every other Apple product that you're using. So if I've got the watch, the phone, the tablet, they all work really, really well together. They communicate. And in fact, my favorite feature on this is that when I listen to a podcast, when I start having a conversation with my wife or a coworker, it will automatically pause my podcast. When I'm done, it'll resume it. Simple feature, but I absolutely love it. Super customizable. Overall, I'm happy with them. I wish I'd gotten them sooner. Great buy.